Unlock a universe of AI-powered visual magic, completely free, with Google Nano Banana. This isn't just another photo editor, it's your gateway to effortless image enhancement. We'll show you how to breathe life back into your photos, transforming them from ordinary to extraordinary with just a few intuitive steps. The core of Nano Banana's power lies in its intelligent AI. You'll learn to craft precise prompts that guide the AI to understand exactly what you want. Think of it as a conversation with your creativity. From subtle adjustments to bold artistic interpretations, we'll cover how to enhance details, adjust lighting, refine colors, and even add entirely new elements to your images. Mastering prompt engineering is key. We'll guide you through techniques to articulate your vision, whether you're a beginner just starting with AI or an advanced user looking to push creative boundaries. Imagine turning a simple idea into a stunning visual reality. Nano Banana allows you to generate creative content from scratch, explore new artistic styles, and bring your most imaginative concepts to life. Beyond just creating, you'll learn how to optimize AI responses. This means refining your prompts and understanding how to steer the AI towards the most desirable results, saving you time and frustration. Whether you're a photographer looking to make your shots pop, a designer seeking inspiration, or simply someone who wants to explore the exciting world of AI-driven creativity, Google Nano Banana offers the tools and the knowledge. Dive in and discover the future of photo editing and content creation. Why? It's free, it's powerful, and it's waiting for you.